Umentri rang ba ka jalau konor ke sang mau lo ong ba ka Jingiakren na ka benta ka jia pen pe upur usam hapreng ka jalau Meghalaya ba ka jala Assam on sa Sdang no Shen. Habaikren bigino tho khubor ha ka arpu pratre gulo ber a haja arpulai ulo ong ba ka Jingiakren na ka benta ki hindrutli ki jaka ki bayaka ja on sa penbej bat pelong ha ka bakut ubanai ya yong la ni ubanai jemang. Ulo ang rubaya ka Jingiakren on sa penbej hadim baladep ban shnai ki regional committee khnang ban la ban pen kre hashua ban lej ka Jingiakren.
We will try to initiate it as soon as possible, and we have always been talking at a personal level to each other. So the communication is already, in fact, started. But officially, we will try to work it out sometime in the later part of April, or maybe around in the month of May. We will start the process discussion, because we'd like the regional committees to also sit down once, do our homework, because regional committees have been reconstituted now. So we will want the regional committees to sit down once, go through get a familiarity with all the issues, and then maybe expected maybe in the month of May. We can start in April also, but we just want to do our homework well.